Hello everyone. Hands Raft. Hands Raft. Hands Raft by Lynn Maslin Cartel. Pictures by Katie Kath. Ding dong, turn the page. Duck is a pail. Hen is a pail. Duck is a pail. Hen is a pail. Ding dong, turn the page. Duck pecks. Hen pecks. Duck pecks. Hen pecks. Duck is at the pond. Duck is at the pond. Hen is at the pond. Hen is at the pond. Ding dong, turn the page. The pond is wet. The pond is wet. Duck can swim in the pond. Hen cannot swim. Duck can swim in the pond. Hen cannot swim. Ding dong, turn the page. Duck gets a log. Duck gets a log. Hen helps. Hen helps. Ding dong, turn the page. Hen gets on the raft. Hen gets on the raft. Now duck is in the pond and hen is in the pond too. Now duck is in the pond and hen is in the pond too. The end.